In this video, we are just going to talk about why you are addicted to losing trades. Why you are addicted to losing trades. Why do you think you are addicted to losing trades? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Okay, so why does it happen? Sometimes you keep making bad trades, even when you know it's hurting you and your account and your pocket. It's not just about the money. It's about how your brain is reacting to risk, hope, and excitement. We'll talk about it in this video. So watch this video until the end. By the way, if you're looking for a new Forex broker, reliable, see the links in the description box below. Very reliable. I've been with these brokers for more than 5 years now, and I've never had a bad experience with them. So I'm very happy and very honest to actually recommend them to the people that I meet. So, yeah, check out the links in the description box below. Okay, so why are you addicted to losing trades? Here's some simple reason why people get addicted to losing trades. So, one of the reasons is your brain loves the excitement. Sometimes losing trades feel risky and exciting, actually, like, a roller coaster. And that rush can actually become addictive. That girl who is dating that guy who keeps on cheating on her and stuff, and the girl keeps on with that guy. That's what usually happens with some traders. They've gotten used to that thrill, that roller coaster ride feeling, that risk feeling of being in losing trades. For some reason, they are getting a rush out of it. It happens in the markets. I've seen it time and again, time and time again. Why this person keeps on getting in losing trades, and it seems like they are hooked on it. Another reason is people hoping that they can win big. You think maybe this time I'll hit jackpot. So what does the person do? They go all in on the trade and they lose money. They come back and they still think this time I'm going to hit and I'm going to also recover the money that I lost the previous time, and they repeat. You find that this person keeps on repeating the same pattern. Why? Because they always have that faith and hope that one day they are going to win it big, and probably the day is today. So they get hooked on losing trades because they have no money management in place, there's no strategy in place, they're just hoping, they just have faith, they're just hoping that I'm going to make it. That's another reason. People don't want to quit. That's a major one. I also had this when I started trading, where you don't want to close bad trades. You stay in bad trades for too long, hoping that this thing will at some point must turn around. And probably you have placed in too much in that trade that to let it go, to close it, it feels like a massive loss. So what do? You just keep on holding for that trade until the day it wipes your account, because you just don't want to quit. People sometimes don't know when to quit. So you just keep on holding on to that trade. Whereas you should probably cut your losing trades. Not probably. Cut your losing trades and move on to the next trade. So the reason why people get hooked to your losing trades is they just don't want to quit. Another reason why people get hooked onto losing trades is also this one. You hate being wrong. Hey, this is a big one. There are people who hate being wrong. They don't want to admit themselves that they made a bad trade. They don't want to admit that I made a bad trade. So what do they do? They keep on holding onto the losing trades. So you find the person over time they keep on they are hooked onto these losing trades. They are almost addicted to these losing trades because they hate the feeling of just admitting I made a bad trade. Cut it off and move on to the next one. So they keep on playing just to try and prove themselves. They keep on holding on to that losing trade just to try and prove that in the end it was a correct trade or a good trade. That's another reason. Chasing losses. After you lose something, you want to revenge the market, which ends up leading to even more trades. I've done this previously when I started trading, wanting to revenge the markets. Unfortunately, your mind is not in the correct space. You just want to revenge. In the end, what do? You blow the account. This is how people get hooked to losing trades. People think they can revenge the market. You can't. With your $10,000 account, you can't revenge this $6 trillion a day market. It's impossible. Then there are people who think the more they trade equals more success. People who think that you need to just take more trades, which means you are doing better, even if they are bad trades. There are people who can't stay out of the market, who can't even do anything. They constantly have to be in the market. That's how people get hooked to losing trades. How you get hooked to this addiction of just losing in the markets. It's now gambling because you're not doing anything. You just want to be in the market at every turn. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And in the end, it becomes like that dopamine hit, that they talk about in psychology, where it triggers something in you and you keep on wanting that thing. You're wanting that feeling. Even if you are losing money, you still want that feeling. Your brain craves that feeling. Even when your pocket is emptying out. That's how people get addicted to losing trades. So, find ways of dealing with your psychology, especially your psychology when you are in the market, so that you don't get addicted to losing trades. When you are wrong, admit to yourself you took a bad trade and cut off that trade. Don't try and revenge the markets. That's a bad approach to the market. Don't trade according to hope and faith. Have a strategy and a plan in place. And don't put all your eggs into one trade. Learn money management. That's how you break that cycle of just being addicted to losing in the markets. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.